Good morning, or good evening, or even good afternoon, whatever time you find yourself watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Life is hard, don't complain. I'm Nick, and today we have something from my good friends at Atlantic Knife. And this is kind of an exciting one. This is the Vosteed anniversary, 4th anniversary of the Thunderbird. I didn't realize it came in like a fancy box. Vosteed Thunderbird V. M390 dual satin and bead blast blade, gray titanium handle. Vosteed sort of went all out this time on the box. Very fancy shell casing here. Let's see. Ooh, okay. We have a Vosteed 2022-2026. Little challenge coin here. It's a very heavy coin. Fidget use enjoy. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with this. I've never gotten one of these, but I thought you'd be able to take it out, but maybe not. That's just a little ferrum seer. It deciphers the pattern into order. Here we go. Here's our Vosteed paperwork. Little raccoon, some swag psyop. We've done a psyop review. Great knife. So this is just their little catalog with a cleaning cloth. Raccoon, Shylin cutter, psyop parallel. Martin, corgi, porcupine, raccoon, good stuff. Vosteed, look, one of my favorite Chinese knife companies. Vosteed, they make very nice but affordable quality knives. One of my favorite fixed blades is the Vosteed Mink, and I've talked about that multiple times on the channel. Check out my videos on there if you haven't had that opportunity. So we'll put this back in here. Put this back. Very nice packaging. Very substantial feeling. The Thunderbird in M390 steel. Vangcore lock is a button actuated liner lock, I believe. Jimping on top flipper, jimping on the rear flipper. I believe this is a titanium backspacer, super easy action. Number 33 of 250. Vosteed. Now, this is a Vangcore lock, and you can utilize it to deploy. I'm not good at front flippers. Dual grinds, which I love. See, this looks like a flat grind and a full hollow grind, which is going to make this guy very, very slicey. About 3.25 inches on the cutting edge there. About 8 1/8 inches long on the total length. Feels very solid in the hand. Good grip on this milling. A non-reversible pocket clip. Comes tip up carry. That action is just so good. Weighing in at 4.5 ounces or 128 grams. We'll find some paper and paracord just to look at how sharp this guy is. I could tell it's very, very sharp though. I mean, very sharp. That was primarily this edge. Push cuts on the, it's, yeah. Unquestionably, she's sharp. Very, very sharp. We have another Thunderbird that I got. This is my first one. This is on my second one, but I will say, here is the first one. And let's look at the differences. I think we can put it like this, and we'll do blade edge. So there are differences in this new version. You have your big fuller here. The general shape of the blade is the same. However, the length, this is a much more sizable knife. So I guess to do a fair, there we go. And you can see longer handle on this guy. So if we were comparing blades, let's do it like this. Still a little, just a tiny bit longer on the new one. This is an Ultem handle, not my favorite, to be honest. Love the feel of this guy, and this is more of a, this is a button lock, not the Vanquer lock, but still very slick action. It's at least a probably, it's closer to a ½ an inch difference. And I believe this Ultem, this is an Elmax blade, and this is M390. And this one, the pocket clip was reversible, and on the new one it is not. So primary difference, you get a larger finger choil with the new guy. Ergos are very similar, although this one's got a little more curvature. This is a little more abrupt. Same, essentially same compound grind here. I like the bigger size of this guy. In the saber grip, it feels super comfortable. It's very comfortable in the reverse grip, hammer grip as well. No hot spots. And you see the milling in there. Just a very, very nice knife. And I think that the balance is right there. So what do we think of the Vosteed Thunderbird? Was it worth the wait? It's been out of circulation a while. I certainly feel that this is a improvement over the one I have. I'm not a huge titanium handle scale guy, but this feels nice and solid. And yeah, I like Elmax steel, but M390 is also unquestionably a good pocket knife steel. For those of you who are new to the channel, we'll make a quick comparison here between M390 and Elmax. So M390 is 1.9% carbon, 20% chromium, 4% vanadium, 1% molybdenum, and it's going to have a Rockwell of 60 to 62. Elmax is 1.7 carbon, so a little less, 18% chromium, a little less, 3% vanadium, a little less, 1% molybdenum, and I believe M390 actually has a little bit of tungsten in it as well. But biggest differences here, Elmax is just a hair tougher than M390 on some scales. It's easier to sharpen Elmax, but M390 has a little more chromium, so it has a little more corrosion resistance and just slightly better edge retention. Elmax is a little cheaper, not much, but a little cheaper in price point to M390. And they can typically compete with each other. Very, very similar steels. If you're looking for toughness, Elmax slightly outperforms M390. If you're looking for longer edge life and corrosion, the M390 wins. They're very, very similar. One thing I'll say, the Thunderbird, it's a Chinese-made Vosteed knife. It was designed by a prolific Chinese designer named Yu Dong, or he goes by Dr. EDC. So this is certainly a premium. The Thunderbird is a premium offering from Vosteed anyway, but the new one, titanium scales versus Ultem scales, etc., offers, this is sort of the premium big brother of this guy. It's a little larger, a little more refined steel, although Elmax is no slouch. I really like Elmax. So, but what do you guys think? Do you prefer the old school Ultem Vosteed, a little bit smaller, or the new big boy in titanium? I like them both, but honestly, I like this one better. I like larger, solid feeling pocket knives. And what did we say? I forgot already. Let's just, this was 81 grams or 2.8 ounces. So this one's significantly 4.5. So this is almost 2 ounces heavier. So if you're looking for a more substantial Thunderbird, check out the ones with the titanium handles. I think you will not be disappointed. I think we'll leave it there. Very, very nice. And as you can see, $33 of $250. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. We really appreciate it. We're marching towards 1,000 subscribers. Holy cow. What a time we've had getting here. So I'm trying to keep fresh videos for you guys. And if you notice, sometimes you'll see me in long sleeves. Sometimes you'll see me with cuts all over my fingers. A lot of my videos, I film them and just life keeps me going, and I hadn't had a chance to edit all of them. So more to come on that front. But until then, I hope you enjoy the content I put out. You'll notice sometimes the editing's better, sometimes it's worse. The older videos don't have the same level of editing. I've learned a little bit along the way. So I hope you bear with me on things like that. But just wanted to let you know. And one other thing, this is a much deeper pocket clip, deeper pocket carry than this guy. You'd have this sticking up from your pocket as opposed to that. So, all right, gang, we'll leave it there. Until next time, remember, life is hard. Don't complain. You guys take care.